Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest, detailed product breakdowns. Today, we're diving into what we're calling the best jewelry loupe magnifying glass inspection. The HMKIS Jeweler's Loupe, a two-pack powerhouse that combines magnification, portability, and versatility like few others on the market. So let's get right into it. Imagine needing to inspect the tiniest imperfections on a gemstone, identify the details of a coin, or simply want a closer look at stamps, watches, calligraphy, or even counterfeit detection. This loupe set from HMKIS is made exactly for those situations. You're not just getting one magnifier. You're getting two compact tools in the pack, and each is designed to meet high-precision demands with ease. Each loupe offers multiple magnification levels 30x, 60x, and an impressive 90x. These aren't just marketing numbers. The triple lens setup gives you 3 physical lenses in one unit, designed for different levels of detail. Whether you're casually inspecting something or diving deep into intricate analysis, you'll have the right level of magnification. Now let's talk about lighting. One of the standout features here is the combination of built-in LED and UV lights. 2 bright LED lights ensure that your subject is evenly lit, no matter the environment. The UV light? That's perfect for checking currency authenticity or spotting fluorescent minerals. And yes, the lights are strategically placed to illuminate your view from multiple angles. Power won't be a problem either. HMKIS includes a whopping 20 backup batteries, 10 LR1130s and 10 LR44s. That means you're covered for extended use, without the hassle of hunting for new batteries every couple of weeks. It's an underrated bonus that saves time and money in the long run. Now, let's take a look at the build. The slide-out and rotatable design makes this loupe both practical and portable. It's crafted from durable ABS plastic with high-quality acrylic lenses. That means it's lightweight, just over 6 ounces, yet sturdy enough to survive being tossed into your tool bag, drawer, or even a pocket. This portability is a game-changer, especially for on-the-go professionals like jewelers, geologists, or collectors. Another small but smart design element? The on-off switch is intuitive and doesn't easily activate accidentally in your pocket. The rotating slide-out mechanism is smooth and functional, keeping your lenses protected when not in use. You might be wondering, what exactly do you get in the box? It's pretty straightforward. You'll find 2 jeweler's loupes, each with multi-lens magnification, and a full set of 20 replacement batteries. It's a plug-and-play setup. No assembly, no complex instructions. Just open the package and you're ready to inspect, magnify, and discover. So who is this product for? It's ideal for jewelers, hobbyists, rock and gem enthusiasts, coin collectors, and even electronics technicians who need to inspect micro-components. But it's also perfect for anyone who appreciates fine detail and close-up clarity in their work or hobbies. To wrap it up, the HMKIS Jeweler's Loupe 2-pack is more than just a magnifying tool. It's a smartly designed, well-equipped, and reliable inspection companion. With triple magnification, strong LED and UV lighting, and long-lasting power backups, it delivers premium features at a surprisingly affordable price. If you're looking for an all-in-one magnifying glass solution for jewelry, coins, stamps, or other close inspection tasks, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Until next time, keep inspecting smarter.